Today I'm going to be looking at how the Mother Ceramic Detailer slash Speed Booster performs versus the Turtle Wax Seal and Shine. The Ceramic Detailer can be used as a topper or as a standalone product according to the label and directions. The step up from this would be the Mother's Liquid Wax, and I just wanted to do a spray versus spray to make it as even as possible. Completely dead panel before. Seal and Shine, everybody knows how to apply this. Sometimes I get comments on why I don't spray more onto the panels instead of just spraying into the towel. It's just because since I am doing it outside, I'm afraid of the wind carrying the product onto the other side, so I'd rather just be safe than sorry. So this is not to be confused with the Mother's CMX ceramic line. That is in the silver bottle. This is in the bright green bottle. Again, this is technically a ceramic detailer, but as it does say on the bottle, it can be used for standalone protection as well. Seal and Shine performs exactly like we all know, and honestly the Mother's is not far behind. If I told you that the entire hood was one or the other product, you would believe me. Here I am trying to flood the panel. You do see that the water sheets off rather fast on both sides. Now this footage is sped up 1.5 times just to keep the video a little bit shorter. The water's not literally moving this fast. With the pressure washer misting, you can see that it produces really nice beads. First up is the 10 wash test. It isn't major, but you definitely notice that the Mother side is not quite performing as well as it was before I started washing it. Okay, so first up is the windshield wiper fluid. Not much of a challenge for really any product. Yeah, you can absolutely see that the mother side is not beating or sheeting quite as fast as it was, but it's still definitely protected. This is going to be simple green mixed at 5:1. Nothing crazy here either. Clearly see the difference between the two here. This is the one that typically makes a bigger hit than the rest. This is super clean mixed 5:1. While both sides took a little bit of damage, you can definitely see which one took it more. I'm just going to wash the panel just to see if that helps bring back any life into these. Turtle Wax still beating, sheeting. Mothers still sheeting, not quite beating, but it is still definitely protected. This is the Mother's Surface Prep. This is meant to remove waxes and oils to prepare for protection. Honestly, I've never seen it really do much damage at all. This isn't really what it was made for. Last up is going to be Mean Green. This is not to be confused with Simple Green, and this is also at full strength. Clearly the Turtle Wax is still beating, not quite as good as it was in the beginning, but it's still definitely there. Mothers, however, took a severe hit. You can notice that there's something there, but it's not even remotely close to the Turtle Wax side. When I try to flood the panel, it is kind of hard to see on video, but there's still a lot of water sticking to the panel on the right side. When I do it onto the Turtle Wax side, you can still see that it does sheet it all off. Even whenever I try to mist the panel to force beads, nothing really happens on the right side.